The Earth, our home. A perfect sphere, spinning silently through space at over 1,600 km/h. We never feel it, yet this motion defines everything. Day and night, winds and oceans, life itself. But what if that spin came to a sudden stop? No warning, no countdown, just silence. And the beginning of the end. In the very first second, destruction would begin. Everything not anchored to solid rock would be thrown eastward. Buildings, cars, oceans, people, all moving at 1,600 km/h. That's faster than the speed of sound. The result? A wave of destruction encircling the globe. Cities flattened, oceans tearing from their beds. The planet's crust itself would crack under the sudden change. As the oceans surge eastward, waves taller than skyscrapers would swallow coastlines. Entire continents would drown in hours. Mountains would act like shields, but the air pressure and wind speeds would destroy everything behind them. Within minutes, half of humanity could vanish. The rotation gives us 24 hours. But without it, one half of the planet would face eternal daylight, the other, eternal night. On the day side, temperatures would soar past 200 degrees, oceans boiling away. On the night side, freezing temperatures below 150 degrees would turn cities into ice deserts. A new world, split between fire and ice. Human survival almost impossible. Our weather systems depend on the spin of the Earth. Without it, winds stop. Jet streams die. Rain, storms, even clouds, gone. The air becomes still, toxic, and unbreathable in many places. Volcanoes begin to awaken from new pressure points in Earth's crust. The planet becomes unstable, a ticking time bomb. Days turn into months. Oceans settle into two gigantic pools, one at the north, one at the south pole. The equator becomes a dry wasteland, a belt of death. Gravity itself begins to reshape Earth. Satellites fall. The moon's orbit changes slightly. A year no longer has meaning. Civilization ends, but small human groups might still survive in twilight zones, the border between day and night. A century passes. Earth's survivors have adapted to a new rhythm. They live underground or beneath thick domes. New technology allows them to farm using artificial light. They worship the memory of the spinning Earth, the old world that once had morning and night. The atmosphere stabilizes slowly, but the scars remain. Continents reshaped, oceans displaced, and species extinct. Scientists eventually discover why it happened. A deep planetary shift triggered by a cosmic event. But one truth stands out above all. Motion is life. The Earth's rotation isn't just movement, it's balance, time, and existence itself. So next time you feel the breeze or watch the sun rise, remember, it's all because the world is still spinning. Voice fades. Think now. Every what if changes how we see the world.